this video, I'll show you where to find the fuel injection and ignition coil fuse on a 2018 Renault Clio 1.2 petrol. It's a brown 25-amp fuse located in the engine compartment fuse box. To gain access, simply press the two tabs and remove the fuse box cover. This fuse protects the fuel injection and ignition coil circuits, both of which are essential for starting the engine and keeping it running smoothly. Hopefully this quick guide helps. If you found it useful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more practical vehicle guides.